What are the most important factors of successful communication in the workplace?
The most successful method is one-to-one communication. It's not always possible. Sometimes you're busy, sometimes there are lots of clients around and you can't do that, but it is the most successful if you can sit one-to-one, really show them all your concentration, use body language and sign language. Your tone of voice is very important. Knowing what your client likes and dislikes has a big effect. You can find out what your client likes and dislikes by watching them interact with staff that have known them a long time, especially a key worker. Using open-ended questions so that your client has a chance to think and tell you more about the answer. Instead of, are you ready for breakfast, maybe, what would you like for breakfast? If your client's struggling to think of ideas, maybe you can just offer a few suggestions rather than telling them what's happening. Offer them. It's their decision, it is their choice. Using fact-orientated questions helps a lot too. Some clients have a bit of a hard time grasping an abstract concept. So if you were to say, what do you want to wear today, they might not understand. Whereas if you get out 2 jumpers of different colour, they might understand when you say, do you like the green one? I actually have a client at home that is like that. So I've got, is a really lovely woman, I love her to bits, and she has Down syndrome and she's now getting a bit of dementia. So staff used to put her clothes out for her, to which she'd get confused and put them away. They get other things out or maybe put them on inside out. Where if you just go in there and say it's time to get dressed, and she'll pick her own clothes and then she'll get it all right then because she knows exactly what's going on. Where when it's all set out it's a bit too much for her to understand. She gets confused why it's there. Maybe her washing has to be packed up. She often does the washing, so she goes, oh, I haven't packed it up, and she puts it all away.